Today we're going to talk about sealing waterfalls. It's a pretty frequently asked question that we get is, how do you guys get the water to go over the rocks? Because if you don't seal these rocks up, the water is definitely going to go behind them. It's not going to go over them. And right now we're going to go over, because we got Jason here today, and Jason is going to walk through how we seal these waterfalls so that they work properly. Today is Tech Tip Tuesday. All right, Jason, we're here today to help people understand on how to seal waterfalls. So why don't you just walk through how you're going to do it, start to finish, so everybody can understand how to seal a waterfall.
Okay, what I did was I went through and I rinsed the liner, the underlayment, the rocks, to get any dirt or debris off it. And believe it or not, the pond foam actually sticks better when everything's a little bit damp. So what I'm gonna do is I've rinsed it down already, is I'll go ahead and cover all the graveled areas with the pond foam, and then I'll use our underlayment to go right on top of that. And I'll push that underlayment right in, it'll give it a good seal, and then I'll cover it with a thin layer of gravel to make sure it doesn't just push all that pond foam out.
You know, one of the other things I saw Jason doing before too is he actually got the underlayment out, traced out around those rocks, and then pre-cut it. It's a great idea. You can use chalk. We have a pair of industrial scissors that we use to cut both the rock pad and the underlayment. So, you know what? Jason's gonna get going with his foam. We're gonna show you exactly how this goes. The guys ran through the whole process with you. If you like this sort of thing, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, whatever you got to do to get notified, because we got more to come. Thank you for watching. We'll see you all soon.